Guten Tag, ich bin Saumya Borgedda. Willkommen zu Deutsch Unterricht A1. Okay, today's topic is inofficial Zeit. Zeit means inofficial timing. We already seen the last class, that is a official time. Official time means 24 hours pattern. Now inofficial Zeit means 12 hours pattern. This is okay, 12 hours pattern, 12 hours pattern. Okay, so before we are going to discuss about the inofficial timing, that is 12 hours pattern, let us talk about 4 words, then you can able to understand whole the thing is very easily. Okay, first one is knock. Knock means after. Okay, so knock means after. Half means half. Okay, viertel means quarter. Okay, for means before. Okay, these are the 4 words. You can first you should able to understand, so that you can able to understand the whole thing. Okay, first one is knock. Knock means after. Viertel means quarter. Half means half. For means before. Okay, let us see from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock how it will be. So for 5 minutes how it will be, let us see. From 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. We will see now how the changes will go into. First one is, I told already, this is a 12 hours pattern. Okay. First 1 or 13. We call it as like, is this eins? How we going to ask the question? Like, what is the time now? So we already told that there is a 2 ways we can able to ask the question, that is wie später ist es. Wie später ist es means what is the time now. S we pronounce it like Z. So wie später ist es, or else wie viel Uhr ist es means how much time is it. Okay. So in this way, if you ask let us think if it is 1 o'clock or 13, then it is eins. Okay. If it is 2 or 14, that is ist zwei. If at all it is 12 o'clock or midnight 12, that is 000. So ist 12. Okay. If it is 1 5, how we will pronounce? So here 1 5, that time 5 nach. So es ist 5 nach 1. So 1 5 means es ist 5 nach 1. Okay. If at all it is 110, so es ist 10 nach 1. Okay. 10 nach 1. So means after 1, 10 means after 1 has happened. So 1 o'clock is over. Later 10 minutes are over. So in order to tell that, so we are using knock. Knock means over. So 5 minutes are over after eins. Okay. After 1, 5 minutes are also over. So that's why es ist 5 nach 1. If at all that is 110 or else 13:10, that is es ist 10 nach 1 means after 1, 10 minutes are over. So okay, after 1 o'clock 10 minutes are over. If at all that is quarter to 1, okay, 1:15, that is how you will say 1:15. Es ist viertel nach quarter eins, okay, means quarter, okay. Viertel, already eins are over, so later again 15 minutes also over. So in order to say that we are using es ist Viertel nach eins, means 1 o'clock over, again 15 minutes also over. Nach means after, over, it's finished, okay. 1:20 or else 13:20, then it is es ist 20 nach eins, means 20 minutes are over after 1 o'clock is over, later again 20 minutes also we have completed. So es ist 20 nach eins, okay. 1:40, if at all that is 1:40 or 13:40, how you will say? Es ist 20 vor 2. Zwei means 2. In English, we will say, so 2, like it is 140, like that we will say. But that is before number we will say in English. But in Deutsch, we have to say the after number. So 140 means already 1 is over. So from halb you have to say 2, okay. So from after 1:30 onwards you have to say it is 2 o'clock. So you have to use the 2 here. In English we will use only 1:30 or 1:40 like that. But here you have to use the 2. So if it is 1:40, then es ist 20 vor, means 20 minutes are there, like we are using before. 20 minutes are there to finish the 2 o'clock, okay. For completion of 2 o'clock, 20 minutes are there to complete the 2 o'clock. So this is the meaning for this, okay. Es ist 20 vor 2, means 20 minutes are there to finish the 2 o'clock. So in the same way, 1:45 means es ist Viertel vor 2, means quarter to, it means quarter is there to finish the 2 o'clock, okay. Es ist Viertel vor 2. It only we have to use this from halb. After 30. If it are after 1:30 onwards, we have to use the zwei. How much time you have to complete the 2 o'clock? So if at all this is 1:40, means all the 20 minutes are there to complete the 2 o'clock. So that's why es ist 20 vor 2. If at all 1:45 or 13:45, that is es ist Viertel vor 2, okay. Then another one is let us take, that is, if at all that is 1:30, how you will say? If at all this is 1:30, if it is this is 1:30, how you will say? Es ist halb means half. So halb 2. Okay? Es ist halb 2 means half an hour is there to complete this 2 o'clock. Okay? So next one is, if at all this is 1:25. So that time we have to use, here we should use for, means 5 minutes are there to complete the 1:30. In this way you are saying. So 5 minutes are there to complete the half an hour. So 5 minutes. So es ist 5 vor halb 2. Okay. Halb 2 means for 2 o'clock, means 2 o'clock. If you want to get the 2 o'clock, 5 minutes are there For halb zwei means 1:30. To get the 1:30, 5 minutes are there to complete the 1:30. So, for means before. Okay. 1:35. If at all this is 1:35, how you will say? So, you are getting after. So, after halb zwei. That's why after means nach. So, is ist fünf nach halb zwei. Okay. Halb zwei. Okay. Got my point? If at all this is, if the time is like this. So, let us think the time is 1:27. Then how you will say? Es ist Kurs halb zwei. Means only little bit less for halb zwei. Okay. In this way, sometimes we can say gleich. Gleich means also the same, about 2. Gleich means about 2. So it is about 2. So how you will say it? If at all this is 1:58. So es ist gleich zwei. Gleich zwei means it's about 2 o'clock. Okay. In this way you can say. So better go through this. Nach means after, viertel means quarter, halb means half, and for means before, so that you can able to understand easily. Okay. So we have discussed from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock how the changes will be. That is from 1:05, 1:10, 1:15, 1:20, 1:25, 1:30, 1:35, 1:40, 1:45 and 1:50, 1:55 and 2 o'clock. So in this way we had discussed. Hope you all are understand. This is a 12 hours pattern. Don't be confused. Okay? Take care. Tschüss. Danke. Bis bald.